Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix laptop keyboard not working in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is here at the start icon, please do a right click and then scroll up and then go with your settings. Tap on it and wait until a new window would appear, which is your settings window. Once you are here with the settings, please proceed directly to the left side of it and look for an option called System. Tap on it, and here you need to scroll down and look for an option called Troubleshoot. Click on it and go where the third option contains other troubleshooters, and you need to look for keyboard here. So look for it. In my case, I don't have such, but in your case, if you have, just have to run the troubleshooter for a keyboard. Okay, so let's, for example, this is a keyboard. Click on this Run Troubleshooters, complete the troubleshoot, and complete the process. Put a lot of patience with it, and it might take some time, but definitely it will be worth it since it will help you to fix the problem. Once done, check if your keyboard is now working. However, if not, then we need to move on to our second method. Our second method would be we need to open our device manager. So simply do a right click here at the start icon, and after that, you need to scroll the app and go with your device manager. Tap on it and wait until a new window, which is your device manager, would appear. Where here you need to proceed with keyboards. Once you have selected it, click this forward arrow and select your keyboard driver. Please do a right click and go with update driver. So it will help you to choose two options. Go with search automatically for drivers. And if your computer says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, proceed with search for updated drivers on Windows Update. And this would be it will redirect you to the the update of updated drivers in your Windows. Have to update the drivers, install it in your Windows, and check if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, can navigate the same process, and that is to open again your device manager, select your keyboard driver, please do a right click, go with update driver, and this time you need to go with browse my computer for drivers manually. Tap on it and go with let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer. And here it will show you the compatible hardware. So simply click on X and wait until it will be installed in your Windows. Once done, check if your keyboard is now working. However, if not, then move on to the fourth step, and that is to navigate again here at the device manager. And this time you need to go with uninstall device. So please do a right click and go with uninstall, and go with uninstall again to confirm your action. Don't worry because the moment you have uninstalled it, you just have to close this window and navigate to the start icon, click on it, and restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, all you need to do is you need to check if your keyboard is now working, since the keyboard driver that you have uninstalled earlier will be automatically installed again in your Windows. Check if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to move on to our fifth and last method. Our last method would be we need to turned on our on-screen keyboard first so that we can proceed. So how we can do such? Navigate here at the start icon. Please do a right click, scroll up, and then go with settings. Here at the settings, please proceed with accessibility. Click on it. The moment you have the click on it, you need to scroll down and look for keyboard. Once you have seen it, tap on it and go with on-screen keyboard and turn it on. Wait until your on-screen keyboard would appear here in your screen. And once it's appearing or showing here, just have to close your settings window and leave this on-screen keyboard open. So please do a right click here at the start icon and go with run. Okay. Again, do a right click, click on run. So let us just adjust it here at the upper so that we can see the options clearly. Click on run and a small window would appear. Where here you need to copy a command text that is C colon /Windows /System32 ctfmon.exe. So control C copy And once you have copied it, please minimize this window and control V to paste. Once you have pasted it, click on OK. And once you have click on it, you just have to restart your computer and check if your keyboard is now working this time. Okay? So those are the steps on how to fix your problem. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.